How are you all? You are good, I know. Today, do you have breakfast? Yes? No? Why? It's a very necessary. Take a morning time a breakfast. So, daily we have take food. It's a very necessary for us. Why? Food give us a energy. Yes, na? Yes. Today we have studied the EVS subjects, lesson number 6, food, and page number 203. Okay, good. And also, what we have taken our food? Yes, anyone tell me? Yes, chapati, rice, roti, bhakri, and vegetables and leafy vegetables. And also we have taken different type of soup, juice, fruits. Yes, na? Yes. And all of the like a pulses, which is a very important for our health. Yes, na? Yes. So we have taken food for we have get energy to play, study, walk, talk, and also full of days work. So we have need a food regularly. Yes, na? Yes. Let us see. If you are not take the food at a proper time, what we have faced the problems? What we have get the problems? Anyone guess? Yes. We have not walk properly. We have not get energy properly. We have not also stand properly. We have not also play properly, not study properly. Yes, na? These more than problems we have faced to this if we have not take a food in proper time. Yes, na? Yes. So today we have studied about the lesson of in subject of EVS, lesson of food, and unit 2, lesson of 6, food, and page number 203. That is the food. Yes, na? Yes, very nice. Let us see. Look at the pictures of these food items. Which should we have more of, which less? What we have should regularly take the more of food, these or these? Yes, anyone tell? Before you tell me, what is the name of these all things? These all is the fruits and vegetables. And what is this? This is a burger. Yes, na? Burger. That is a good for health? Ours? No. So, and these fruits and vegetables good for health? Yes. So, what we have taken regularly? Yes. This one. First picture is we have taken regularly. And this is don't take regularly. Yes, na? Yes. Because it is not good for health. See students, we have here more of fruits and vegetables. Yes, na? Yes, you are like watermelon, like grapes, here brinjal, here strawberry. I all together mix the fruits and vegetable. Pineapple is also here, mango is here, also capsicum. Then what is this? We have say custard apple, yes, carrot, onion. Then this is aloo bukhar. Then chiku, and also coconut also here, banana here. Then orange, pomegranate is here also. See, mushroom is also here, cashew nut, and this is this all type of fruits we have. So regularly in a day 1 or 2 fruits we have should take in our food. Yes, na? Yes. Good. We have started the lesson. Okay. See, we eat food when we are hungry. When we are hungry, that time we eat a food. We drink water when we are thirsty. We drink water when we have thirsty. Food gives us energy to play, study, walk and talk. All things food give us what? Energy to play, study, walk and talk. Food help us grow. See how many work of food for our health. Yes sir? See, food helps us grow. Food keeps us healthy. So, we should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. See, daily one only types of food we not eat. It is not good for our health. Why? We have taken different type of regularly food. That's why we have useful for our health, for growth and strong and healthy. Yes na? Yes. Don't eat only regularly chapati. Mummy, I want only chapati. I am not eating bhakri. Why? We have eat one day chapati, one day bhakri, one day chapati, one day bhakri and idli, sometime dosa. Why we have take idli dosa? You ask me. Yes na? Yes. Because that also healthy for our food. That also give a nutrition for our health. So we have take a different type of food regularly. Got it? Good. Okay. Rice, wheat, ragi, dals, nuts, beans, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, milk, curd, cheese, butter and ghee are different kinds of food. See, let us see here picture of food. All type of food. See, they are showing here fish, milk, bananas, apples, then different type of mango, then tomato also here, cabbage, rice, then maze, then meat, then chicken, this also, coffee, then all this picture here, cake showing, burger showing, ice cream showing, chocolate, lollipops here, different type of biscuits here, chips, cold drinks. This all is good. What is useful for our health and what not useful for our health. You know that? Yes na? Yes. Is good for our health chocolate, ice cream, burger, cake, toffees, then coffee, cha coffee, then tea coffee, then chocolate chips, then different type of cold drinks, cakes. Yes, it is good for our health. No na? Yes, it is not good for our health. But what is good for our health? Milk, fish, then fruits, pumpkin, then maze, then here all types of vegetables, rice, chicken, meat. This also good for our health. Yes na? Yes. See, we buy rice, wheat, ragi and dal from a grocer. We buy vegetables and fruits from the market. The milkman supplies us with milk in the morning. Yes na? Milkman what supply us in the morning? Yes, milk. And rice, wheat, ragi and dal types, that all where we have purchased that? In grocer. Yes na? And vegetable and fruit where we have buy? In a market. Do you understand? Good. Now see, source of a food. What is the meaning of source of food? Where we have got the all types of foods, that we have called the source of foods. See, let us see. We get most of our food from a plants. How we get the foods? By a plants. Rice, wheat, corn, grams, nuts, dals, coffee, tea, cocoa, chilies, pepper, cooking oils, fruits and vegetables are all a plant products. Yes na? Yes. We get milk, eggs, meat and fish from animal. Where from it get we? milk, eggs, meat and fish by a animal, and others rice, wheat, corn, grams, nuts, dal, coffee, tea, cocoa, chilies, pepper, cooking oils, fruits and vegetables we get it by a plants products. Yes na? Yes. Do you understand what we have get by plants and what we have get from animals? Yes na? Yes. Very good. Tell me one question answer for orally. We get most of our food from plants. Yes, correct. We get most of foods from plants. Do you understand? Yes, very nice. Eat at the right time. We eat a food right time. See what? We eat breakfast in the morning time. Before start the lesson, I to ask you na? Yes. How many times we have take a food? 3 times. Yes na? Breakfast in the morning time. We have lunch at a noon time. Noon time means afternoon time. We eat a dinner at a night time. What time we have get a dinner? At a night time. Let us see. Good food and bad food. We have, it is a very important. What is a good food and bad food? See, eating properly cooked food keeps us healthy. See, here is a 2 pictures of foods. Here some flies sitting on the foods, and here that the close the pot on the foods. Yes na? Yes. Which is a good? The flies sitting on the food, it is a good for health, or we have close the pot on the food, that is a good? Yes. Which one is a closed by a net or pot? That is a good, because flies not sitting on the food. And why? See, eating properly cooked food keeps us healthy. Eating properly cooked food keeps us healthy. Stale or improperly stored the food can make us sick. Stale means or improperly stored food can make us sick. Stale means not a fresh food. Next, food such as ice cream, cakes and colas are not good for the body. We should have these only once in a while. This is a ice cream, that is a cakes, colas, that is a good for our health? No, that is a very bad for our health. So this is not take a regular. We have studied about the good eating habits. Good eating habits is a very necessary for regular in a good habits. Good eating habits. See, eat at the right time. See, they are showing here clock, and eat at the right time. Wash your hands before you eat. Whenever you are going to eat food, that before we have wash our hands. See here, they are showing the wash basin. Put small portions of food into your mouth. Eat slowly. Not take a big portions of food to eating time. It's take a small portions of food in your mouth. Eat slowly. See, the boy is eating properly. This like you eat also. Yes na? Yes. Chew your food well. While when you are eating the food, that time proper chew your food. Eat different kinds of food, especially vegetables and fruits. Eating different kinds of food, especially vegetables and fruit. They are showing here picture. Eating different type of food, vegetables, fruits, and also chapatis, dosas also. They are showing idlis here. Then eggs here. They are showing curry is here. different type of vegetables, and salad also is very important. We have take. Yes, na? Yes. Avoid eating too much fried food and too many sweets. Don't eat much more fried food, too much many sweets. Fried food means that we have eating na bhaji, pakoda, yes, batata vada. This is like for you na. Yes, veg very much. That is a kurkures, then chips. This is not good for health. Also, don't eat many sweets. Sweets means which coming in biscuits, cake. Then we have say the lollipops. That is not good for our health. Do not speak with the food in your mouth. The food can get stuck in your throat or spill out. Do not speak with food in your mouth. Whenever in your mouth the food is there, please don't speak. Why? It is very dangerous. Because when we have keep in food in our mouth and we have speak, that time that food is stuck in our throat and or spill out. Then so don't speak whenever you are eating a food. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Finish all your food. Do not waste any. Finish all food. Don't waste any food. Because you know that more than people not getting proper food for, and children, they are also not getting a proper food. So to see, rinse your mouth with water after eating. Rinse your mouth water after eating. Do not eat while playing. When you are playing, that time don't eat anything. Do not walk around with food in hand. Sit in one place and eat. This is a good manners. Do not walk around with the food in hand. Sit in one place and eat. While in home, that time also don't walk here and there. Take your food in hand, and it is not good. You sit proper one place and eat also. Yes, na? Yes. Next. Do not eat while watching television. Do not eat while watching television. Why? Because when we have watching the television, that time our mind and our eyes is working for only television. We have see television, we have eat the food. That time we could not understand how much we have eat that all things. Yes, na? Yes. So do not eat while watching television. Drink plenty of water through a day. Do you understand all this lesson? Yes. Thank you. Listen.